If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making CHAULA KHIRI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 2/3 cups of rice and soak that in some water for roughly about 1 hour. Then 1.5 cups of jaggery or gur. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now take about 4 cups or 1 liter of milk in a pan and bring that to boil first. Then to that, add all the soaked rice but without the water. Now reduce the flame to medium and let it simmer till the milk is almost reduced and the rice should be cooked. And keep in mind, you need to continuously stir it, else the rice will stick to bottom of the pan. So once you get a thick consistency just like this, add the salt, powder and all the gur and mix it up really well, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, CHAULA KHIRI. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.